Welcome back. This is the first session of the Airspace Operations Learning Module. In this session, we'll be touching upon basic VFR weather minimums and also visibility and cloud requirements. No pilot may operate an aircraft under basic VFR when the flight visibility is less or at a distance from the clouds that is less than that prescribed for the corresponding altitude and airspace. Basic weather minimums for SUAS operations are really straightforward. The location of your operation for your UA must have a visibility of no less than 3 statute miles. Also, the flight path of your UA must be at least 500 feet below a cloud and must not get any closer than 2,000 feet from a cloud horizontally. No operations above a cloud either. These restrictions allow a UA pilot to practice see and avoid. That's because other aircraft might have a flight path which goes through the cloud. This gives the UA pilot an opportunity to yield right-of-way. An important note for all UA pilots: if the local aviation weather reports are not available, the remote pilot in command may not operate the small UA if he or she is unable to determine required visibility and cloud clearances.